on, guys, got a request to react to Diana, You Are Super, Blizzard, live on Autoradiio. Make sure you watch the whole video, give your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. We'd like to hear from you. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, like and share, and let's get straight to it. Autoradiio. Hold on. Amazing. And the guy in the drum, he's gone crazy. He's like that. Dun, 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 dun. And she's just singing and everyone's just cheering, and she's in the radio. Her voice sounds just on point, as I expected, you know what I mean? Make sure you go and subscribe to Diana's channel, show her some love. If she's got any new things out, make sure you go and support her as well. She's just phenomenal, incredible artist. Look at the guy now. Sorry for pausing it. What I was going to say, basically, I've got to trim this video as well. She's always on a big platform. Look, she's on a radio channel. So if I upload this video, it's going to get blocked worldwide. So I'm really sorry. I've got to trim the video, but I'll leave the link in the description down below, so you can go check that out. But if you don't like the trimming, maybe that video's not for you, you know what I mean? But I'm really sorry, because I don't want to trim it. Because I want you to see the whole reaction and stuff. Well, that's it to the performance. Absolutely incredible. Make sure you subscribe to Diana's channel, show her some love. She's just magnificent. If you've never heard it before, go and type her name on YouTube and you go check her out and stuff. Absolutely phenomenal for her age. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, like and share. If you've got any more requests, leave in the comment section down below. Until next time, see you again.